Do you know that feeling when someone asks, "How was your day?" and you freeze? You know what happened, but you can't find the English words to describe your morning routine, your commute, your evening plans. It's frustrating, isn't it? Here's the thing, talking about your daily routine is one of the most important skills in English. It's how you connect with people, make friends, and have real conversations. Whether you're chatting with colleagues or video calling family abroad, you need to describe your day naturally. Today, we're changing that. You're going to listen to a real, natural conversation between two friends talking about their daily lives. You'll learn the exact phrases native speakers use every single day. Ready to finally speak about your day with confidence? Let's begin.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Class. I'm James, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Emma. James, I have to tell you something. This morning was crazy.
Oh no, what happened?
I woke up late, burned my toast, couldn't find my keys, and then I spilled coffee on my shirt. It was a disaster.
Oh, Emma, that sounds like a terrible morning. But you know what? That's exactly what we're talking about today.
What do you mean?
We're going to talk about daily life, the good days, the bad days, and everything in between. And we're going to teach our listeners how to talk about their day in English.
Perfect. Because everyone has a daily routine, right?
Exactly. So, grab your coffee carefully, Emma, and let's get started.
James, when you were learning English, what was the hardest conversation topic?
Small talk about daily life.
Really? But it seems so simple.
Think about it. When someone says, "How's your day?" You need so many phrases,
That's true. Morning words, work words, evening activities.
and it's not just vocabulary. Native speakers don't say, "I wake up at 7 a.m., I eat breakfast. I go to work." That sounds like a robot.
Right. We add details, we complain a little, we share funny stories. Like my crazy morning today.
Exactly. Learning to talk about daily life is more than memorizing phrases. It's about sharing experiences naturally.
And that's what we're practicing today?
Yes, we'll have a real conversation, and our listeners can learn from it. Should we start with mornings?
Let's do it. But first, if you're enjoying this, please subscribe and give us a like.
It really helps. Okay, ready to talk about mornings?
I'm ready. All right, James, let's start at the beginning. What time do you wake up?
I'm a morning person, so around 6 a.m.
6 a.m.? That's so early. I'm the complete opposite. My alarm goes off at 7 o'clock, but I don't get up until 7:30.
Let me guess. You hit the snooze button?
Multiple times. 5 more minutes, then another 5, then just one more time.
So, what happens when you finally get up?
I literally roll out of bed and stumble to the kitchen like a zombie. My eyes are half closed, and I need coffee immediately.
Coffee is essential. How do you take yours?
Lots of milk and a little sugar. I call it my survival drink. What about you?
Black with no sugar, strong and simple.
Strong coffee for the strong morning person. What about breakfast?
I usually make scrambled eggs with toast and avocado. I sit down and eat slowly while reading the news.
You have time to sit and read? I'm running around trying to find my shoes. I just grab a granola bar or a piece of fruit.
Breakfast on the go.
Exactly. Maybe I should wake up earlier.
Maybe.
But then I'd have to go to bed earlier, and I'm not an early to bed person either.
Wait, so you're not a morning person and not an early sleeper?
Exactly. I'm a mid morning to late evening person.
That's very specific. Phrases to use. I wake up at time. I hit the snooze button. I'm a morning person. I'm not a morning person. I stumble to the kitchen. I need coffee immediately. Breakfast on the go. Now comes the interesting part. Getting ready. Do you shower in the morning or at night?
Always in the morning, I need a hot shower to wake up. It's like turning on the engine.
I'm the same. It's my thinking time. Then comes the hard part for you, right?
Yes. Choosing what to wear. This is my daily struggle.
Really? You always look great.
Thank you. But you don't see me standing in front of my closet for 20 minutes saying, I have nothing to wear?
But you have clothes, right?
Of course. My closet is full, but somehow nothing feels right. Is it going to rain? Do I have meetings? Will I be too hot?
Jay, I have a confession. I wear basically the same thing every day.
No. Really?
Yes, jeans and a button down shirt. Blue, white, or gray. I don't have to think.
You're like a cartoon character who wears the same outfit in every episode.
Exactly. Okay, so we're dressed. Now, how do you get to work?
I take the subway. It's an experience.
That doesn't sound positive.
It's crowded. Very, very crowded. Especially during rush hour. You're standing shoulder to shoulder with strangers. Someone's backpack is hitting you in the face.
That sounds terrible.
You get used to it. I listen to podcasts. What about you?
I drive about 25 minutes. Some mornings the traffic is smooth and I'm singing along to music. Other mornings I'm stuck in bumper to bumper traffic thinking, why do I live here?
At least in the subway, there are no traffic jams.
True, but you don't stay dry when it rains.
Oh, rain is the worst. Everyone is wet, umbrellas are dripping, and it smells like wet dog in the subway car.
You. At least in my car I stay dry. But parking is a nightmare.
See? Every commute has its challenges. Useful phrases. I take a shower in the morning. I can't decide what to wear. I'm running late. I drive to work. I take the subway. The traffic is terrible. It's crowded/packed. Rush hour is the worst.
We made it to work. Now what?
Now the real fun begins. So, James, what's the first thing you do?
Make another cup of coffee.
Another one? That was morning coffee. This is work coffee. Totally different.
Exactly. Then I check my emails.
Oh, the emails. How many do you usually have?
On a good day, 15 to 20. On a bad day, over 50.
50? I just start at the top and work my way down. Then I get distracted by people stopping by my desk, phone calls, meetings.
Do you have a lot of meetings?
Too many. Some days I have back-to-back meetings from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Back to back means no breaks?
Exactly. Meeting after meeting. By the end, my brain is mush.
That sounds exhausting. I usually have one or two meetings max. I do a lot of independent work, reports, data analysis.
So you need quiet concentration?
Yes. I put on my headphones and get into the zone.
The zone?
It's when you're so focused that time disappears. Hours pass and you don't notice.
I wish I could do that more. My job is very collaborative. I'm constantly talking to colleagues, helping customers.
Important question. Lunch break. What time?
Around 12:30 or 1 p.m. You?
Same. Do you pack lunch or buy it?
I try to pack it to save money, but 3 days a week I buy something.
What do you buy?
There's a sandwich shop near my office. Turkey and avocado.
Always the same?
Why mess with perfection? Work phrases. I check my emails. I have a meeting. Back-to-back meetings. I'm swamped with work. I take my lunch break at time. I pack my lunch, buy my lunch. Finally, 5 p.m. Time to go home.
The best part of the day. Do you leave right at 5 o'clock?
I try to. I value my personal time. The evening commute is even more crowded, though.
Rush hour part 2. My drive home takes 30 minutes. Traffic is always worse.
So you finally get home. What's the first thing you do?
Kick off my shoes immediately.
Oh my gosh, me too. Shoes off, work clothes off, comfortable clothes on.
Then I collapse on the couch for about 15 minutes. My decompression time.
I do something similar, but I scroll through social media. Just mindless scrolling to relax my brain.
After that, do you cook or order food?
I cook most nights. Simple things. Pasta, stir fry, chicken with vegetables. I actually enjoy cooking. It's relaxing.
I'm not a great cook. I often order pizza or Thai food.
You can't go wrong with pizza. What do you do after dinner?
I usually watch TV or read, maybe go for a walk. What about you?
I watch movies, comedies or romantic comedies. Something light and fun. Sunday evenings I prep for the week.
Prep how?
Look at my calendar, plan outfits. Maybe cook a big batch of chicken or rice for lunches.
That's smart. What time do you go to bed?
I try for 10 o'clock or 10:30 p.m. on Sunday nights to get back into the work schedule. The Sunday scaries are real.
Sunday scaries?
That feeling on Sunday night when you realize the weekend is over and work starts tomorrow.
Oh, yes. I take a long shower and go to bed early with a book to combat that feeling. Evening phrases: I leave work at time. I head home. I change into comfortable clothes. I relax on the couch. I cook dinner, order takeout. I unwind after work. Okay, Emma, we've talked about our daily lives. Now let's help our listeners practice
Yes, think about your own routine from morning to night.
and try to describe it in English, out loud.
You can do this while you're actually doing your routine. When you wake up, say, I'm waking up. I'm making coffee.
This is called narrating your life, and it's amazing practice.
Try it tomorrow morning. Start talking to yourself in English from the moment you wake up.
If people think you're crazy, tell them you're learning English.
Here's another challenge. Tell us about your day in the comments.
Write a few sentences. Are you a morning person? How do you get to work? What do you do in the evening?
We want to hear from you. Well, James, we covered everything about daily life.
From alarm clocks to bedtime. We talked about mornings, commutes, work, and evenings.
I learned that you're basically a robot who wakes up at the same time every day.
And I learned you hit snooze way too many times.
Ha! But seriously, I hope our listeners learned useful phrases today.
Everyone's routine is different, and that's okay. Your routine is unique to you.
But the phrases we use are similar. Practice using them, and soon you'll talk about your day naturally.
Before we go, are you a morning person like James? Or not a morning person like me?
Tell us in the comments, and please subscribe to Easy English Class.
Hit that like button and share this with a friend who's learning English.
We'll see you in the next episode with more practical lessons.
Keep practicing and don't be afraid to talk to yourself in English.
Bye, everyone!
Bye.